Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, if you're unable to post on Instagram, then in such cases in following for the following issues you can follow the processes. So here I'll show you how to fix the problem. So first of all, you just need to go on phone setting. So we will go in phone setting. Let's click on it. And after that we will go in apps option. You can see apps option is there. Let's click on it. Now we will click on app management. Let's click on it. Now find Instagram. So here are most you can see there are so many apps there out there. So see, you can see Instagram option is here. So now let's click on Instagram. Now we will click on force stop. First of all, you just need to click on force stop. Now you can see on the screen force stop option is showing. Expectations exceptions may occur if an app is force stop. So let's click on it. Now we just need to go on storage usage. Let's click on it. Now we need to click on clear cache. So let's click on clear cache. It's deleted. Now let's click on clear data. Click on it. Now you can see this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. If you want, yes, if you're sure, then click on delete. So obviously if you're facing such issues, if you are unable to post on Instagram, then obviously you'll have to clear the cache, and after that you just need to click on delete. So I deleted it. Let's go back. Now you just you can see disable mobile data, disable Wi-Fi. You just simply do this, switch on, then switch off, and also click on background data, switch off, and then on. These are the simple steps. The most important thing which we did is storage usage, where we clear the cache and clear the data. Now we will go back and we will restart the phone. After doing that, after restarting your phone, you just need to go on Play Store. We will find Play Store option in our mobile. Now you can see Play Store option is here. Let's click on it. We just need to search Instagram. Let's search it. Now if update is there, if in your phone Instagram is asking for update, you just simply update your Instagram, your problem will be resolved. So now in my phone, in the morning only I updated my Instagram, so now it is showing directly open. So here I am going to click on open. So I have 3 accounts over here, so I'll choose my personal one. And now let me show you with example. So here it's asking for allow. Let's click on plus sign in the middle of the Instagram. You can see in the middle of below, you can see plus sign is there. Let's click on it. It is asking allow Instagram to access photos and videos on this device. Yes, allow. And again it is asking allow Instagram to take the pictures and record videos. Yes, while using the app I click on it. So always choose while using the app. This option is always fruitful. So click on it again. Now you just click on post option. I click on post. Now choose the picture. So let me show you because let's show you if you are getting the problem such as you are unable to post the pictures on Instagram. So actually I was facing this problem, and I did the same process and my problem was resolved. So I thought I should share this one, since I am uploading the videos regarding the same, regarding the the technical videos I'm uploading here. But yes, in this case I had to do this. Let's post it. It is asking find your vibe, explore and customize new filter for every mood. Okay, I did this and now I click on arrow. In the below corner you can see the arrow option is there. Okay, I just did this so I can do the taggings and all. So you can do the taggings and again you just need to share. It is showing finishing up, and now you can see my post is here. So my post is here, you can see I have uploaded my picture. I have posted the picture on Instagram. So this is how the problem is resolved. So friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel, and also please share with your friends and recommend them for this channel, that this channel is really helping to the people who are very much needy for for the things which is required in case of if you are opening the app, installing the app, playing the game. If you are getting any problem, so the problem will be fixed. So you can go through the channel and you can find the solution. Thank you for watching.